diversity tool. A friend of mine was driving through a parking lot and noticed that the rear of my vehicle looks a little low for SUV. And I thought it looks fine to me, it looked leveled. But him owning a few trucks noticed that my rear should be higher than what it was. And as I looked over at my vehicle, I thought, well, it does look low. And what is it that I need to do to bring it up? Well, changing out your coil springs in the rear will bring your vehicle up. And over time, these wear down, especially if you're carrying a lot of heavy weight back and forth over the years. So, I replaced my own, or I wanted to. I watched some YouTube videos to see if it was easy and how quickly it can be done and what type of tools I would need. And I heard that it was dangerous using the spring compressors from different videos, and I was hoping that I did not have to do that. I saw one video where the guy didn't even use the spring compressors. He got his springs out. Actually, one of them actually fell out as he lowered his rear axle. So I attempted this recently, but the videos I saw, they removed both rear tires and worked on them at the same time. I did my left side first, and then I tried my right side. Once I realized how quickly and easy it was to do, but safely doing it, I was motivated to get this thing knocked out. So I replaced my own coil springs and my rear shocks at the same time. But I wanted to be safe, and along the way I developed some, or gathered some material to do that safely. I had my jacks in place. Not only that, I had some 4x4 fence posts, and one of them, or two of them, I measured out 22 inches, because that's how high I needed to get the rear up to get the new springs in, because the new springs were longer than the old springs. At least looked like 4 inches. So I knew I had to get that rear up 22 inches off the ground to get those rear springs in. I mean, just enough, not a whole lot. And I placed a lot of these around my vehicle, stacked right above the frame underneath, just in case something slipped or didn't work. I don't always trust my hydraulic jack, just that alone. You should use your jack stands, but I didn't have enough jack stands, so I took about 3 of these and put them right under the frame between the front door and the rear door for safety. And I wrapped tape on them so they won't slip. And this worked out fine. I felt comfortable with these under there. Also working with my hydraulic jack and my bottle jack. Get this cable off here. Now this is to the brake line, look like. And this one. This one up here also. It's not coming. Oh, there it is. There we go. Doesn't stretch when I drop the rear axle. Got some play. I'm gonna take this nut out of here. It's like the rear stabilizer, if that's the name of that. Need to get that screw off and slide that back, or that's gonna stop it from dropping to the floor. Got number 10 socket, and got my 3/4. Well, this may be a 3/4 also. It says number 10. takes care of that. This is my spark plug. So I can usually remove my plugs with. Take me some 10W40. Some of these nuts. Doing it one side at a time. Oh my goodness. Let's keep those together. Okay. Let me get down on here just a little. A little more. Just out of the way. Good thing I took a loose there. So let me go to the rear and use my 22-inch block. I'm going to set this on the rear of the frame behind the wheel. On the frame. Got my 4x4 right under the frame there, 22 inches high. Gonna let off of it a little bit here. Okay, I added a second 4x4 to the rear. Put it up my wheel there. Right on the frame. And I move my bottle jack over here. Get this out of the way. And how about I do this? Now I'm going to drop my bottle jack down a little bit. Get this up here now. The spring is loose. Spring is loose. It's going to slide up and off here. Here it comes. There goes Betsy. And the spring is out.